10 items or what?
Less.
Do you know less is wrong?
What?
No.
Yes! You want to know why it's wrong? Because if it's less, you have to measure it. If fewer is when you count numbers. Watch this. There are blank students at school. Fewer or less?
Fewer.
Because you can do what to the students?
Count.
You can count them. We know right now it's 7 students absent in this class, right?
Yep.
Okay, here we go. We need blank apples for this recipe.
Less.
Why is it less?
Because you can measure it.
Measure the apples.
Huh? We can count the apples. We can count the apples.
Okay,
We can. And for apple pie, I use 6 medium-sized apples.
so
But for apple tarts, I use 4. So we can count them, right?
fewer.
So it's fewer. Okay. You see where I'm going now?
Yes, ma'am.
Next one. She drinks milk than I do.
Fewer.
Less.
Because we can what?
Measure.
Measure it. And let me show you this. This is how I remember it. You want to know my trick? When you're saying your alphabet, do you say LMNOP?
Yes, ma'am.
So I remember L, measure, for the M comes after that.
Oh.
You see? I got little tricks like that. And fewer, I remember the F for, you can count it, because you can count 4, 40, and 14, right?
Right.
Does that make sense? The F for the numbers. Okay, so this one. I spent blank time on my homework.
Fewer.
You spent fewer time on your homework?
Less.
What's going?
Less.
Okay, I wanted you to redeem yourself. Okay. He made blank mistakes on this test.
Fewer.
Because we can count them, right?
Alright.
He made a 3 out of 10. Next time he made a 7 out of 10.
But can I ask you a question?
Yes.
You can also count the time you did on your homework. You can count that. You can be like 1 minute, 2 minutes. You count that.
Where?
Less.
I spent fewer time. Time is measured by minutes.
Oh.
You see that?
Yes.
You see how Miss James answered that?
I didn't know
Yeah, I'm proud of her too. Okay. We need blank volunteers.
Fewer.
Excuse you. We're talking about fewer and less. We need how many volunteers? Hello? Do you know?
Less.
We need how many volunteers?
Less.
Can you measure them?
Fewer.
You gonna put the volunteers in the cup and measure them?
Yes.
How many? We need how many volunteers?
Fewer.
Fewer. That's why I want you to pay attention, because I figure that this could help you. We need blank sugar.
Less. We need less sugar.
Okay, let me show you what I did here. I did this to kind of make a point. We need. I changed it from volunteers to sugar. Volunteers can be what?
Counted.
Counted. Can you? But sugar is what?
Measure.
Measured. Do you see how I did that?
Yes, ma'am.
So, do you see why at the grocery store when they have 10 items or what?
Less.
Less. It's actually what?
10 items or fewer.
Fewer.